Hey YouTubers, how's it going out there in YouTube land? Just another day / night in paradise, right? That's what I thought. Tip time for the old 2006 Trailblazer. Anytime you're putting back this fan, the shroud, and this electric clutch, here is a tip. A lot of people end up breaking these shrouds. They get frustrated. They don't know how to get this back in there. Here's how I do it. Go ahead and slide what's left of your fan in here. You can see it's kind of hanging here loosely. Just go ahead and shove it in behind the shroud. Don't bolt it up. Now push the shroud forward and take your clutch and drop it down in here and go ahead and thread it on the stud there of the water pump and spin it on there a little bit, and this will allow you to go ahead and hook up your wires, or you can hook your wires up before then go ahead and pull this back like this out of the way, and now you can get in here and bolt this fan back on just like that. This is how I put it on. A lot of people try to put this on first together and try to force it in behind the shroud. You're not going to ever get it in there. It's hard to do it that way. Best thing to do is put the plastic fan in behind here first, then push the radiator shroud forward, then stick your hand down in here and spin that clutch. That way you can spin it, because you cannot get your hand behind this fan and pull that back up out of there and spin that on that water pump stud. There's no way to get your hand down here and do it. So this is the best way to do it, is do it from behind, and it will save you a lot of hassle, trust me. So I'm going to show you this tip. Pass it along. It's all back together. All I got to do is screw that on, tighten it up, and put my bolts back in the shroud here, and make sure that it's straight down on the radiator. It's nice and flush, and you can look underneath and make sure that it's all nice and straight. So hopefully this tip will help you out. And also be careful when you're sticking your hands down in there and you're trying to do this. Make sure you don't cut your wrist on this sharp plastic. It is very easy. That would be a nightmare, you know what I mean? So just take your time, just get that kind of started there, spin that on there, and it'll make your day a lot better. So hopefully this tip will help you out on your Trailblazer. Now this is a 2006, probably the same process from 2002 all the way up to 2010 perhaps. So alright, for more tips and video on my channel, subscribe and like and all that, and until my next video, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.